Another video. If you're new, welcome. My name is Esther and thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Before we get started, you guys already know the drill. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe down below, and also hit that notification bell so that you're always notified when your girl uploads. So in today's video, it is all about this beautiful unit. Okay, now this unit is from YGwigs. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the specs and tell you guys more about this unit. This is their body wave and it does not have any lace on it. You don't have to glue it down, and this is also a virgin human hair. Now the inches of this unit, if I'm not mistaken, it's 22 inches. The longest I probably went is 24. I will have all the details in the description box and the links, so definitely check that out. Now y'all seen in the beginning of this video, this unit came body waved as heck. I'll probably say it's more of those tight curls, and I used a brush that I can't even find it right now to just like make it a little bit more fuller and loose. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, this unit is so full, and y'all know I love me a good old full wig. This one is definitely it. Now it does curl like a dream, so in case you're finger combing it and the curls go away or just fall, you can just grab a straightener like this one. This is my baby. I love using this especially to just do some quick curls. This is perfect. I will have the link for this straightener in the description box. It's probably one of the best straighteners I've ever had in my whole life. But this is what I use to curl the bottom of this unit. Nonetheless, y'all, this is the wig. I love the fact that it is super bouncy. The hair is not stiff, honey. It's super soft and it is not shedding. So far, I'm getting 0 to no shedding. But yeah, y'all, so this is it for me rambling. Y'all see how full this unit is? Like, this is crazy how full it is. But this is it for me rambling, y'all. All the details for this unit will be in the description box, so definitely check that out. All right, my loves, I love y'all as always. Now, Sana, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.